Around the world, cities and countries are turning to one of the most powerful tools we have in the fight against climate change: nature-based solutions. In the United Arab Emirates, the Emirate of Abu Dhabi is pioneering blue carbon innovation. Over 1 million mangroves have been planted using drone and AI technology, restoring degraded coastal areas. These mangroves capture 10 times more CO2 than terrestrial forests and protect marine life. Through partnerships with the Air Carbon Exchange, mangrove restoration is now a tradable carbon credit. Singapore transformed a concrete canal into Bishan Ang Mo Kio Park, an urban nature-based solution masterpiece. The city replaced grey infrastructure with a meandering river and floodplains, reducing flood risks, cooling the city and boosting biodiversity by 30%, while creating a cherished community space. Costa Rica leads globally in ecosystem restoration. Through a payment for ecosystem services program, landowners were paid to protect forests. Forest cover has doubled, supporting biodiversity, rural livelihoods and carbon storage. Policy, incentives and people made this possible. In East Africa, Rwanda has restored millions of hectares through reforestation, agroforestry and wetland rehabilitation. The results: better water retention, increased food production and new green jobs. Rwanda shows how low-income countries can lead with vision and people-centered policies. From the coasts of Abu Dhabi to the hills of Rwanda, nature-based solutions are not experiments, they are proven, practical and powerful. It's time for more cities and countries to localize what works and let nature lead the way in our journey to climate neutrality.